Hi, this is Micah with WTI, and this is my Berlitz Passport to Russian. So this is a Russian phrase book. It's pretty nifty. If you open it up, you can see that it's very logically laid out by subject. And I do appreciate that they let you know right off the bat if we're talking about masculine or feminine. And you see also down below they have the transliteration, not the translation, the transliteration. That's in the Latin alphabet, so that if you're still rusty on your Cyrillic, you can still get the pronunciation. And I like phrase books because I like to make flashcards for myself to remember phrases. And if you make a flashcard with just one word, that it makes it really hard to stick in your brain. But if you use a word in context, then your brain is more likely to remember it because it kind of paints a picture, and your brain holds on to images a lot better than it does to single words. So this is a good resource for making flashcards of simple but useful Russian phrases, or you could just throw it in your backpack and take it with you to Russia. So this is a good resource for learning the Russian language, and that's my point of view.